In this tutorial, we will see how to install Docker on Linux. First, let's connect to our server. Now that we're connected, let's do sudo su and then type the command yum install docker -y to install Docker. This command will install Docker, and once we have the Docker installed, we will enable the service, then start it. To do that, we'll type systemctl enable Docker. We enable the service. Now we can start it. And if we want to check the status of the service, we can type status. And here we can see that Docker is active and running. We also need to add the user to Docker group if we want to type the commands without sudo. To do that, let's do user mod -a-G Docker and the user. My user is ec2-user and it's been added. Let's exit sudo and exit. Then we will log in to our server again. Now we can type Docker without sudo, and to check we'll type Docker version, and we can see that we have Docker installed and we can run the commands without sudo. We can also type the command docker info to get some more info about Docker. And if we want to log into our Docker Hub, if you don't have a Docker Hub account, just create one. If we want to log to our Docker Hub account, the command for that will be docker login. And we're prompted to provide the username and the password. And login succeeded. Now I'm logged into my Docker Hub account. If you want to log out, you can use the command docker logout. This is it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will see how to work with Docker images. See you then.